Hello friends, in this video I will be creating an ExcelLib file. Also, we will be running a script to write data in an Excel file. So, let's begin. Here, I have created a folder for storing our Excel files. This is the Excel file, where we will be writing and reading our data. Let's create a class called ExcelLib. This file path variable will store the address of our Excel file. Now, let's create a method for reading Excel file, called readExcelData. And second method, for reading Excel data, called setExcelData. Make sure you import all the POI jars only. Then mention the sheet name, in which you want to write the data. Now, let's run a simple script and check whether our code is working or not. In this script, we will be printing these products' name in our Excel sheet. So, our code is working fine. Now, let's take a look at the used POI jars. You can download these POI jars from the link given in description. Thanks for watching friends. In coming videos we'll be starting automating Gmail website.
I hear voices in my head, they counsel me, they understand, they talk to me.